Our brains are extraordinary. They are the command centers of our bodies, orchestrating every thought, action, and emotion with incredible precision. They are the most complex structures in the known universe, more intricate than the most advanced supercomputers. This grapefruit-sized organ holds our thoughts, dreams, and memories. It is the seat of our consciousness, the essence of who we are. It controls our movements and emotions, from the simplest reflex to the most profound feelings of love and joy. But how does it do it all? How does this intricate network of neurons and synapses create the symphony of human experience? How does the brain turn the world around us into the richness of human experience? The answer lies in the way it processes information. The journey begins with our senses. These are the gateways through which we perceive the world. They are our windows to the world, allowing us to experience the beauty and complexity of our surroundings. Through sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch, we gather information about our surroundings. Each sense provides a unique perspective, adding to the richness of our experience. We gather information about our surroundings. This sensory data is the raw material that our brain uses to create our reality. This information is the raw material that our brain uses to create our reality. It is through the intricate processing of this data that we are able to understand and interact with the world around us. Our brain maps this sensory input to perception, creating a coherent picture of our environment. This process is continuous and dynamic, allowing us to adapt and respond to changes in our surroundings. The integration of sensory information is a marvel of biological engineering. It involves countless neurons working in harmony, each contributing to the overall picture. This unified experience is what we call consciousness. It is the culmination of all the brain's processes, creating the seamless flow of thoughts and sensations that define our existence. As we navigate through life, our brain is constantly at work, interpreting sensory data, making decisions, and guiding our actions. It is a never-ending process, a testament to the incredible capabilities of the human brain. The universe inside your head is vast and complex, a testament to the wonders of nature. It is a reminder of the incredible potential that lies within each of us. So the next time you marvel at the world around you, remember that the true marvel lies within you, in the universe inside your head. Imagine biting into a ripe strawberry. Your taste buds detect the sweetness. Your nose picks up the fruity aroma. Your eyes see the vibrant red color. These sensory organs are constantly at work, collecting data from the environment. They are our first point of contact with the outside world. Each sense organ is specialized to detect a specific type of information. Our eyes capture light. Our ears detect sound waves. Our skin senses pressure, temperature, and pain. These sensations are the building blocks of perception. The information gathered by our senses needs to be translated into a language the brain understands. This language is electrical impulses, or nerve impulses. When you touch something hot, for example, specialized receptors in your skin send a signal racing towards your brain. This conversion from sensation to electrical signal is called transduction. It's a crucial step. It allows the brain to interpret the world around us. Without it, we would be oblivious to our surroundings. The electrical signals generated by our senses don't travel in a vacuum. Instead, they embark on a fascinating journey through our nervous system. These signals are carried by specialized cells called neurons, which are uniquely designed to handle this crucial task. Neurons are the messengers of the nervous system, tirelessly working to ensure that information is transmitted accurately and efficiently. They form a vast communication network that spans our entire body, connecting every part of us to our brain and spinal cord. Each neuron has a long thread-like extension called an axon, which is essential for transmitting signals over long distances. Axons transmit electrical impulses over long distances, ensuring that messages can travel from one part of the body to another without delay. When an impulse reaches the end of an axon, it doesn't just stop there. Instead, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters, which play a vital role in neural communication. These neurotransmitters then activate the next neuron in the chain, passing the signal along. This process continues, creating a relay race of information that allows our body to function seamlessly. The point where one neuron connects with another is called a synapse. It's at these synapses that neurotransmitters are released and received, ensuring the smooth transmission of signals. In the brain, billions of neurons are constantly firing, creating a complex web of communication that underlies our thoughts, emotions, and actions. This intricate system allows us to react to our environment, process information, and perform countless tasks every day, from simple reflexes to complex decision-making. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including proper nutrition, exercise, and mental stimulation, is essential for keeping our neurons and nervous system in optimal condition. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the nervous system, advancements in neuroscience hold the promise of new treatments and technologies that could revolutionize our understanding of the brain and its functions. The relay race of neurons is a testament to the incredible efficiency and harmony of our body's communication network, a marvel of biological engineering that keeps us connected and functioning every moment of our lives. Section 5. Networks of thoughts. The brain is not just a collection of individual neurons, it's a highly interconnected network. Billions of neurons form intricate circuits and pathways. These networks allow different parts of the brain to communicate with each other. Different areas of the brain specialize in different functions. The visual cortex processes information from our eyes. The auditory cortex processes sounds. The hippocampus plays a crucial role in memory formation. These specialized areas work together seamlessly, allowing us to perceive the world as a whole. Section 6. The brain's language firing patterns. The brain doesn't understand words or pictures in the way we do. Instead, it interprets the world through intricate patterns of neural activity. Its language is patterns of neural activity. These patterns are the brain's way of encoding and processing information. Each thought, feeling, or sensation is represented by a unique pattern of firing neurons. This means that every experience we have is translated into a specific neural code. These patterns are constantly changing, reflecting the dynamic nature of our experiences. As we encounter new stimuli, our brain adapts by forming new patterns. Imagine listening to your favorite song. The experience is not just about the sound waves entering your ears. The sound waves enter your ears and are converted into electrical signals. These signals are then transmitted to various parts of the brain. These signals travel to the auditory cortex, where they activate specific patterns of neurons. This activation is what allows us to perceive and enjoy the music. These firing patterns create the experience of hearing the music. Each note, rhythm, and melody is encoded in a unique neural pattern, making the experience rich and immersive. Similarly, when we process language, our brain doesn't see words as we do. Instead, it translates them into neural patterns. When you read a sentence, your brain is busy converting the visual input into a series of neural codes. These codes are then interpreted by different regions of the brain, allowing us to understand and respond to the language. During a conversation, the brain's language centers are highly active, constantly decoding and encoding information. This process of forming and strengthening neural connections is what enables us to learn and remember new information. The brain's ability to adapt and change its firing patterns is a testament to its incredible plasticity. This plasticity is what allows us to grow, learn, and experience the world in ever-evolving ways. Section 7. From impulses to imagination. The brain doesn't just passively process sensory information. It actively interprets, organizes, and makes sense of it. It's this ability that allows us to form thoughts, ideas, and even imagine things that don't exist. Our thoughts and imaginations are not separate from sensory experience. They are built upon the foundation of our perceptions. We draw upon our memories, emotions, and past experiences to create new ideas and possibilities. Section 8. The science of dreams. Dreams offer a fascinating glimpse into the inner workings of the brain. During sleep, our brains are still active, processing information and creating vivid experiences. But without the constraints of sensory input, dreams can be illogical, bizarre, and emotionally charged. While the exact purpose of dreams is still a mystery, they likely play a role in memory consolidation, emotional regulation, and creativity. They may be the brain's way of making sense of our experiences and preparing us for the future. Section 9. The uncharted territories of the mind. Despite decades of research, the human brain remains one of the most mysterious entities in the universe. We've made incredible strides in understanding how the brain processes sensory information, forms thoughts, and creates consciousness. But many questions remain unanswered. How does the brain generate subjective experiences, like the feeling of love or the taste of chocolate? What is the neural basis of consciousness? These are just a few of the profound questions that continue to fascinate scientists and philosophers alike. Section 10. The ever-evolving brain. The human brain is not static. It's constantly changing and adapting in response to our experiences. This ability to change, known as neuroplasticity, is what allows us to learn new things, form memories, and recover from injuries. Throughout our lives, our brains are constantly rewiring themselves, strengthening connections that are frequently used and weakening those that are not. This ongoing process of change ensures that our brains remain flexible and adaptable, capable of navigating the complexities of the world around us.